Hello and welcome viewers. You're watching In Depth with your host Kriti Mishra. The Sagarmala project is an ambitious initiative by the Government of India to develop the country's coastal areas. The word Sagarmala is a Hindi word and is made up of two words, Sagar and Mala, meaning sea necklace. The project is aimed at creating coastal economic zones and boosting maritime trade and transportation. Sagarmala will provide employment opportunities for millions of people and improve India's infrastructure. The Sagarmala program, launched in March 2015, is the flagship initiative of the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, aimed at revolutionizing India's maritime sector. With a 7,500 kilometer coastline, 14,500 kilometer of potentially navigable waters, and a strategic position on key global trade routes, India holds immense potential for port-led economic growth. Sagarmala aims to streamline logistics, reduce costs and enhance international trade competitiveness by shifting from traditional infrastructure-heavy transport to efficient coastal and waterway networks. The program focuses on port modernization, industrial growth, job creation and sustainable coastal development, ensuring minimal infrastructure investment while maximizing economic impact. The Sagarmala program is a key pillar of the Maritime Amrit Kal Vision 2047, driving India's ambition to become a global leader in maritime affairs. Building on Maritime India Vision 2030, India has set ambitious targets including 4 million GRT of shipbuilding capacity and 10 billion metric tons of port handling annually, aiming to position India among the top 5 shipbuilding nations by 2047. Formulated through 150 plus stakeholder consultations and an analysis of 50 global benchmarks, India outlines over 300 strategic initiatives to develop world-class ports, expand coastal and inland waterways, and promote a sustainable blue economy. As a core enabler, Sagarmala plays a transformative role in enhancing logistics, infrastructure and shipping and accelerating India's maritime growth by 2047. Let's take a look at the current status of Sagarmala program. As part of the Sagarmala program, around 839 projects at estimated cost of around 5.79 lakh crore have been identified for implementation. Central ministries, IWAI, Indian Railways, NHAI, state governments, major ports and other relevant organizations implement these projects. As of 19th March 2025, 272 projects have been completed, which account for an investment of approximately 1.41 lakh crore. Let's also take a look at the achievements of the Sagarmala program. Sagarmala has made India's ports faster, boosted the coastal economy, revived inland waterways, and improved global logistics rankings. Coastal shipping grew 118% in a decade. Ro-Pax ferries moved over 40 lakh passengers and inland waterway cargo rose 700%. 9 Indian ports rank in the world's top 100, with Vizag in the top 20 container ports. Indian ports now outperform many advanced maritime nations on key metrics. Sagarmala Program 2.0. The Government of India is advancing the Sagarmala program with Sagarmala 2.0, focusing on shipbuilding, repair, recycling and port modernization to enhance India's maritime competitiveness. With a budgetary support of 40,000 crore, the initiative aims to leverage investments of 12 lakh crore over the next decade, driving infrastructure development, coastal economic growth and job creation. Aligning with the vision of Viksit Bharat and Atmanirbhar Bharat by 2047, Sagarmala 2.0 will accelerate port-led development and strengthen India's position as a global maritime leader. Sagarmala Startup Innovation Initiative was launched on March 19, 2025. The Sagarmala Startup Innovation Initiative is a transformative program designed to foster innovation and entrepreneurship in India's maritime sector. The ecosystem supports startups in green shipping, smart ports, maritime logistics, shipbuilding technology, and sustainable coastal development by providing funding, mentorship, and industry partnerships. Anchored in the principles of RISE, that is, research, innovation, startups, and entrepreneurship, this innovation will drive technological advancements, enhance industry competitiveness, and accelerate economic growth. Together with Sagarmala 2.0, this initiative reinforces India's commitment to maritime excellence and sustainable coastal development, paving the way for a globally competitive and future-ready maritime ecosystem. Now let's take a look at the objectives of the Sagarmala program. With a strategic focus on port modernization, connectivity, industrialization, and skill development, the Sagarmala program is also unlocking new avenues for economic expansion, positioning India as a global maritime powerhouse. Sagarmala's vision can have a potentially transformative impact on India's logistics competitiveness and the wider economy. The Sagarmala program consists of several key components aimed at transforming India's maritime sector. The overall set of projects under the Sagarmala program are divided into 5 pillars and 24 categories. Port modernization and new port development. This focuses on upgrading existing ports and constructing new ones to enhance capacity and efficiency. It involves addressing bottlenecks and introducing modernization mechanism and computerization in port operations. Port connectivity enhancement. This component aims to improve connectivity between ports and the hinterland, optimizing both time and cost of cargo transportation. It includes the development of multimodal logistics solutions such as inland waterways and coastal shipping to ensure seamless movement of goods. Port-led industrialization. This initiative encourages the creation of industrial clusters near ports, promoting economic growth and reducing logistics costs. These clusters attract industries that benefit from efficient transportation and proximity to ports. Coastal community development. This focuses on sustainable development of coastal communities by providing skill development and livelihood generation opportunities. It includes initiatives supporting fisheries, coastal tourism, and enhancing the well-being of local population. Coastal shipping and inland waterways transport. This component promotes the use of coastal and inland waterways for cargo transportation, reducing dependence on road and rail networks. It is an environmentally friendly mode of transport that helps alleviate congestion on roads and railways. Let's now take a look at project implementation and funding under Sagarmala. The Sagarmala program follows a strategic, stakeholder-driven approach to project identification and execution. Projects are selected based on the master planning of major ports, meetings of the national and state steering committees, and proposals for implementing agencies. Regular realignment and monitoring ensures relevance and efficiency.
भारत के कोस्टल स्टेट, हमारी पोर्ट सिटीज विकसित भारत की ग्रोथ का अहम सेंटर बनेंगे। देश के मैरीटाइम सेक्टर को नई ऊंचाई देने में प्राइवेट सेक्टर का भी अहम योगदान है। पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप के तहत पिछले 10 वर्षों में हजारों करोड़ रुपए का निवेश हुआ है। इस भागीदारी से न केवल हमारे पोर्ट ग्लोबल स्टैंडर्ड पर अपग्रेड हुए हैं, बल्कि वो फ्यूचर रेडी भी बने हैं।
In the maritime sector, over the last decades, India has taken several significant steps towards decarbonizing and digitizing our maritime supply chain economy. We are one of the first large economies to have prepared a detailed green transition action plan for our ports and harbor craft and inland vessels. Our Green Tug Transition Program will not only benefit India, but also benefit and serve many other countries in their climate transition. The Prime Minister has provided decisive guidance through the Maritime India Vision 2030 and the Maritime Amrit Kal Vision 2047, which outline many critical initiatives. These initiatives have significantly enhanced the efficiency and performance of Indian ports, strengthened our national waterways, and enabled large-scale coastal employment and capacity building. Today, we mark a significant milestone. We gather here to witness the launch of Sagar Manthan, the Great Ocean Dialogue. I'm also very happy to announce that the inaugural edition will be held this year on November 18 and 19 in Mumbai. Sagar Manthan is inspired by the ancient Bharat wisdom of discerning the oceans, which led to the emergence of the nectar of immortality, Amrit, which benefited all existence.
The Sagarmala program is transforming India's maritime sector by driving port-led economic growth, infrastructure modernization, and global trade competitiveness. With 839 projects worth 5.5 lakh crore, it has delivered remarkable outcomes, including 118% growth in coastal shipping, a 700% surge in inland waterway cargo movement, and 9 Indian ports ranking among the world's top 100. Building on this success, Sagarmala 2.0 and the Sagarmala Startup Innovation Initiative will unlock 12 lakh crore in investments, strengthen shipbuilding repair and recycling, and position India as a hub for maritime innovation and sustainability. Anchored in Viksit Bharat and Atmanirbhar Bharat 2047, the Government of India is steering towards a future-ready, globally competitive maritime ecosystem that fuels economic growth, job creation, and leadership in blue economy. Well, viewers, that's all we had for you in this edition. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Sunset TV. Goodbye for now from my side.
To watch more programs of Sunset TV, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to like and share them.